Hello guys, let's transport colors name. Blue color, black color, violet color, silver color, brown color, golden color, red color, light green color, yellow color, green color, orange color, and pink color. Today we learn alphabet A to Z. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for dress. E for elephant. F for fox. Z for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for net. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for roach. S for sun. T for tomato. U for uniform. V for village. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Bye bye kids.